What's up, guys? This is Bob, the tiny house builder, and today I literally just got this unit done. We haven't even cleaned up the outside yet, but I was so excited to show you it because not only is the exterior really cool, but the inside has some very unique features that I've personally never done before in a tiny house. So let me go through the outside really quick, and then we can go right inside and check out how cool this house is. This house has our signature two-tone siding. This siding can be picked from like 15 different colors. We like to do a clear cedar, but you can also have that painted any color you'd want. Large 5-foot French doors that open outward. Well, that's enough of that. Let's go inside. All right, so one of the things you'll probably notice as soon as you walk in here is all of the dark trim. The customer really wanted to go for a rustic, kind of antique feel to the house, so we decided to really dress it up with a lot of stained trim. Now, one of the things that really stands out above all else is this large catwalk that connects both of these lofts together. It was important to the client that their daughter, who's going to be sleeping over here, be able to get to the other loft easily without having to go up and down a ladder. Now, later, you'll see me walk across there, but let's go check out this bathroom. One of the really cool features of this bathroom is the custom subway block tile surround that the customer selected. The customer also wanted the ability to stay off the grid, so it was important to install a Nature's Head composting toilet as well. There will be a family of 3 living in this tiny house, so it was important that we had a vanity that had ample storage. Directly outside of the bathroom, it was important that we designed a closet that is large enough for a full-size washer and dryer. As we move into the kitchen, you'll see that we installed a large 4-burner range, an exhaust hood that vents outside, plenty of upper storage. One of my favorite features is this large farmhouse sink, and also the antique oil rub bronze plumbing fixtures as well, along with lots and lots of lower cabinet storage. Right outside of the kitchen, there's a large living room as well. But one of the coolest things is definitely these lofts. So let's go take a look. So as you come up this ladder, you'll enter into what we call the master loft. The secondary loft is above the bathroom on the other side. And in order to get there, you have to take this catwalk. So one of the things about this catwalk that was important to me when designing it was I didn't want to see any vertical struts. I wanted this to almost look like it was floating, like it didn't need anything from below or above to support it. And the way we did that is we used structural steel studs and track to really give this a really good integrity to support itself on its own. And then we went ahead and made this cool pipe rail railing and to help so that nobody falls off the edge. Hey, well listen, once again, I'm Bob, the Tiny House Builder, and I want to thank you for watching this video today. Remember to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. And if you have any questions about tiny houses, or where to park them, or maybe even how to finance them, leave those questions below and I'll be sure to answer them.